Good morning everyone. Cooking Mom Francie here again. And I'll be sharing with you another hot pot soup or hokwo. Ayan. This is a different naman kasi ingredients. Pero mga mushrooms pa rin. And mga ready na siya. Hindi katulad ng sinare ko sa inyo before na that's my own idea, my own version. Yan. Kumbaga, my own composition. Okay? I'll show you what are the ingredients. Let's start here. Ito yung pinaka-main, pinadala kasi ito ni Amo. Ayan. Ready na siya. Frozen siya. Meron siyang mga meat sa loob in the soup. And meron siyang kasama na pack of this. Parang seasoning, I don't know. So, I'll be adding this one, mga mushrooms. Ayan. Brown mushrooms. And the white mushrooms. Parehas lang sila ng design, but different color. And this one, mushrooms din yan. Ayan. And then, mushrooms again. Here it is. Ayan, mushrooms. Kabuti. Kabuti. Ayan, mushrooms din yan, pero nakabukadkad. Ayan. Ay, pinagsama-sama ko na. Ito, same yan, at saka yun. So, ito yun. Ayan. Mushrooms. Kasi binawasan ko na, ni-ready ko na yung iluluto ko. And good thing, there is a chicharon. Chicharon yata ito. Ayan. Then, the vegetable here. This is called tang-o. Ayan, this is winter season lumalabas. This is very good for the winter season, guys. And then this one. Ayan, pechay bagyo or tapay chay kung tawagin here. And then, dapat ito yung pinadala ni Amo. Kaya lang, since we have an old one, I'll be putting some slices lang. Kasi dalawa lang kami ni Lolo. So, ayan guys, yung aking ingredients for today. And I'll be putting also pala an egg later. And some squids. Kasi meron kaming squids dito. So, ilalagay ko na para maubos na siya. So, ito na yun guys. Join me again in cooking this hot pot. Okay guys, I'll be cutting na. Isa no, nakat ko na pala yung iba. Ito na yun. And ito yung isa. Apat lang. Tama na yan. And then this one. I'll be cutting also 4. And then, the squids naman. I'll be cutting lang into ano lang. Ito parang luto na siya. Parang naka-steam na siya. Samahin ko na. There it is. So, okay, let's start cooking na. Ito na yon, binuhos ko na siya. Yung nasa pack. Yan o, may meat na siya. Beef siguro ito. Yan, buhos-buhos lang. So, let it boil. May maraming this is until our dinner na. Ayan o. Meat. I don't know if it's pork or beef. Okay, it's now boiling guys. So, I will add first this one pack of some seasoning yata. add ko na. Okay, let it boil again. So it's now boiling. I-add ko muna yung mga lower part of the pechay bagyo. Bigas yun. Yan o, ganda. Tinikman ko siya, matamis. I-taste it again. Matamis na. Shabu-shabu talaga siya. Nabilis lang siya. And then yung green, yung tango, actually yun ilalagay. I will add now the squibs. Add it into my shrimps. Kunting buhay na lang. Add ko na yung gulay and the egg. Yun na. I'll be adding na din pala some slices of onions kasi sabi ni Amo maganda daw ito to prevent stroke. Yan, since marami kami dito ngayon, madalaking onions, ayan. So, nilagyan ko na siya. Hinaluan ko na, pwede naman yan. Dito naman is walang arte-arte, walang selan-selan ba. Nalutuin ko lang siya ng konti. Mabilis naman yan naluto. And then, yan na. Almost na. Okay, it's done. That's my hot pot for today. So, okay guys, once again, this is your cooking mommy Francie saying may God bless us all, and hope you enjoyed watching, and that's some idea. Thank you for watching.